Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple interest calculator using Python. So as you can see on your screen, I have opened PyCharm. Click on new project. I will name the project as simple interest calculator. Click on create and the project will be created. Once you have created the project, you will come to a similar screen. So let me remove the existing code. In order to calculate the simple interest, there is a formula, that is principal into rate of interest into time divided by 100. So these information will take it from the user. So first I'm going to define a function which calculates the interest. So I will type define calculate simple interest, and we're going to define the parameters. So first is principal, and then is the rate of interest, and the third parameter is time. So we have the principal, rate of interest and time. So now we're going to write the formula. So I'll type simple interest is equal to principal into rate of interest into time, that is divided by 100. Then let us return the value of simple interest. So now we have created a block to calculate simple interest. So now we are going to get the values from the user in order to calculate the simple interest. So let me type in amount is equal to, so we are going to take it from the user, so put as input, and I will type in enter amount. So now so here we will get it as string, so we have to cast it to integer. So let me cast it to integer. Okay, now we'll get an integer value. Next we need the rate of interest, so I put rate of interest is equal to input. This is an integer, so we cast it to an integer. Then input enter rate of interest. Then we need time, so we'll say time is equal to, this is an integer value, so we'll cast it to integer, input enter time. So in this much of code we have got the values from the user. So now we have to substitute in this block. So I'm going to call the function calculate simple interest. So our principal is amount, and then our rate of interest is rate of interest, and then time. So we're returning the value, so let us store it in a variable. So I will just when interest is equal to, then let us print the simple interest. So print interest. By this much of the code, we can calculate the interest of any amount given. So if you want the amount which contains the interest also, so we can type in print amount plus interest. So by this much of the code, we can get the interest and the amount which also contains the interest. So let me run the program. This is enter amount. Let me enter 10,000. Rate of interest 5 and time 1. So the interest is 500 and the amount is with the interest is 10,500. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the compound interest.